taking a video of the place, man. It's humongous. Shit, man. Hey, this toilet quite nice also. You see, got kitchen some more, lor. Have you seen the kitchen?
Yeah, very big.
It's crazy, this place. I think I want to video this whole house also like need 2 minutes. Oh, there used to be a bed. This Jin He's bed. And then we pull it out. I'm doing like a documentary, it's a vlog. And then we put it out here. So you can watch TV. This place is fucking huge, dude. And this is mine and Jitway's room. And then there's a toilet. Hey Joash, you go and turn the aircon in your room already. It's 30 degrees.
No. The temperature is showing is the current temperature.
Oh. But then the air come out also like shit. This is Joash's and Javis's room. And they have a toilet too. This place is damn big. Yeah, it's a palace, man. How much are you paying for it? It's like $200 a night. Is it like $200 a night?
120.
A night per person? No, 100.
No, 100.